Morning. Wow, what's going on in these markets today? Okay, gold was very bearish yesterday. Pushed down, not all the way down to the support, the daily support. Did wick back up. There was some orange folder news for gold just after NY open. So gold had dropped 200 pips and then pushed right back up. I'll go into it when I switch to the 30-minute. But for now, we've got this big rejection candle yesterday that happened on the daily. Today, we're respecting a previous low so far, pushing up. Didn't quite make yesterday's high. So if it breaks, I'm anticipating gold will continue up. There is a lot of news. There's two sets of news for gold later. Services PMI and JOLTS job opening. So that jobs data. At the moment, 4 hours bearish and close above this previous 4 hour resistance. If it flips bullish, re-breaks the high, I'm anticipating that it keeps on pushing up before the potential drop later. If it forms a resistance here, I'll probably be looking at sells on the next candle, depending on how far this 4 hour pushes. I think I'm more bearish on gold because of the news today. So I'll see how I can get some sells. If it does push up, I'm looking for a retest of this daily resistance at least. That'll be my first target for the buyers. If not, then I'm looking for sells all the way down to this daily support. And then ideally the daily flips bearish. Yeah, sells down. So we've got a nice resistance formed here on the 30-minute. Goes all the way across. Nice 30-minute resistance. Then we've got a nice 30-minute support right here. So yeah, maybe looking for sells once price breaks below this support. And then once the daily flips bearish, that's it, sells all the way down. Alright. Morning, Benny. Alright, so gold, that's gold, pounds yen. Pound yen is very bullish. Very bullish. So we broke yesterday's high already. Not that there was much of a top wick, but it's already pushed up. Same thing happened on Monday. The 4 hour, it's formed a resistance and it's pulling back. So I would anticipate, I'm looking for more buyers on pound yen, at least up until 198. I'll round it off to 0.7, 0.6, 0.7, so weekly resistance. Not much on the 4 hour apart from this resistance. So just waiting probably to get a support on the lower time frames to retest the highs and continue up. And the next 4 hour support is down here. I can't see it pulling all the way back. So I'm just going to look for a support formed on the lower time frame, so the 30-minute. If it creates a nice support for me, then I'm looking for buyers after the support candle to go back up. So possibly the 7:30 candle, depending on how this candle here closes, the 7 o'clock candle closes. And keep a lookout for that. The daily is very bullish. The 4 hour would be flipping bullish. So this is where the 4 hour candle opened. So yeah, that would be good for the buyers there. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see, where do we have some more key levels, some more supports down here. Morning, morning. Happy New Year, Rosie. So yeah, GBPJPY, that's what I'm looking for today. Just wait for this candle to close. And gold, yeah, nothing inside this range just yet. But yesterday, where was the move yesterday? What's going on here? So yesterday I took some sells during NY session. So it was right here. So I had a resistance here. I had a support down here. My support line was about sort of like this zone. So yeah, I had a support here. This candle pushed down from the resistance, closed below. Candle made a top wick, and I took an entry once it broke this low, and then yeah, came down. It was kind of quick. Once it broke the low, it just pushed. I was looking for a longer, looking for more of a closure into these wicks, but the closure below is a closure below. So yeah, took the break of this low, pushed down, got out. My TP was around here. But yeah, very nice. Buyers back up would have been nice too after this candle rejected, but I was done for the day. Went out shopping, went out to get some food after that win. But yeah, it looked like it might have potentially carried on going down. I sort of tapped into this support here, and then yeah, just rejected, formed a nice support, and then continued pushing up. Yeah, the buys back up were nice. And gold, I mean, GJ was bullish yesterday anyway, so the buys back up would have made sense. It's a very big range. This resistance to this support would have been what, 120 pips. Pound yen was really moving yesterday. It was moving. Yeah, the sales were nice. They were. For sure. Yeah, pound yen's looking good for these buys. Hopefully it doesn't push too much up into this range. Right now it's what, 30 pips in a bit. 40 pips. I just need a bullish candle. Next candle, make a bottom wick, break the high, keep going up, and then some buys. So hopefully the candle doesn't push up too much. what gold's doing. You want to close it below this support anyway, so 2638. I think gold GJ is gonna give us the move. M15 break, you're in. If only the 15-minute was my entry and confirmation. I kind of want to see how this 30-minute candle closes. And F15 doesn't have a top wick, so yeah, the buys look good from there. I'm just gonna wait it out a little bit. It already broke the 30-minute high, but I don't like the way it's pushing down right now. M15 is not looking too good right now. They still got a lot of time left in the candle anyway. Says waiting for volume. Yeah, it seems so. I mean, look, it's past 30 minutes. Not even 30 minutes. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It's been pulling back from these highs that it made during Asian. So yeah, we need some volume now for real. Yeah, next 30 minute, if it closes bullish, like I said, then the next 30 minute candle, I want it to pull back and then I can get in when it breaks the high of from wherever this 30-minute candle closes. It closes bullish. I might have to use entry candle for a stop loss. Or if it doesn't push up too much, previous candle low, it's good. About 20, 25 pips would be nice, at least. If it breaks the support, you're in for sells. Whoa. It's like as soon as you said that, it just started dropping. I don't even think I will take sells here just yet. That's because I don't have, because it's a 15-minute support. What's this 15-minute looking like? It just pushed right down, no top wick. If I'm gonna take any sells, then what I need is, I need that market structure. So I need a support and then a resistance, which would also be a lower high. If I had a lower high, then I could take some sells. And now look, this B sells, like, you know what I mean, from the resistance. But where it's at right now, I don't have that market structure, and I don't use the 15-minute for it. But on the plus side, we do have a clean range back down. But on the other side, pound yen is very bullish at the moment. The daily's very bullish. So I need a bit more information. Like, really and truly, this support, it should even be there because the candle hasn't closed. So this 30-minute candle could close bearish, and then I don't even have a support there because I don't use a 15-minute for it. So I should wait until the candle closes, because this candle could just flip, break this low, and just keep pushing, keep retracing this push up. Okay, 5 minutes to go. Let's go doing chilling. And if you get a weak bearish, weak bullish, could look like a continuation pattern. Doesn't seem like it wants to push up though. That's one thing. Still continuing this pullback. Alright, GJ, what are you trying to do? If we get a weak bearish closure right here, then we could have a continuation pattern to the upside. Hopefully it just doesn't range and go sideways for a bit. But it's the 30-minute closure I'm really looking at. I need a nice strong candle body and a nice support formed. did kind of want a closure above like this price here, because then the 4 hour would be bullish, so like 93. I don't really like how this candle closed. That's a shame. But we do have a 30-minute support now. Kind of looks like a continuation pattern still to the downside. Let's see if this 30-minute support holds. If it breaks, then we're pulling back some more. As long as the daily is bullish for GJ, I'm looking for buyers. Yeah, same. I kind of got that same mentality. Like, it's already broken yesterday's high. I do think buyers are more on the table, even if it does like retrace some more from the highs that created. I think as long as we get the support formed above, like anywhere in this area above the daily, we could see GJ push back up to retest the highs. But yeah, it was really pushing yesterday. What time was it? 12 o'clock, just straight up. As well as looking for sells. for the sells, I will need a closure below this support. But I mean, looking at the 15-minute, it's creating lower highs, even though it pushed up, it still created a lower high right here. Yeah, I need a closure below, and then I can take the sells. Gold dropping. Oh no, gold's got a long way to go. If it breaks the previous low, I'm going in for sales. Impulse entry. Cool, cool. DJ's gonna take his time, do that thing where it moves in the last like 10 minutes of the candle, 30-minute candle. Sharon says it's going up. Rosie's waiting for that too. GJ is very bullish. I agree. Really what I want is, I want buys above here. That's what I want. How big would the stop loss be? Do you know what? I'm gonna put a buy stop right there. Let me just adjust it a little bit. It's gonna be 9.5. In fact, I'm gonna put it a bit, just a little bit higher. Put it a pip higher. I stop at 96. I had 20 pip stop loss, which isn't bad. Check gold quickly. Looks like a nice continuation pattern here on gold. Just don't want to sell into this support here. Let's keep an eye on pound yen, see if we actually get this break of the high. Minutes from the lower, a higher low. hopefully push up. And then it pushes down. That's the new 15-minute candle. 15-minute candles are ranging. Oh, I don't like that close, you know. Don't like this close. Oof. Deleting that. Looks like Caswell might have his sells. Did it break? It did break the low. Are you waiting for this, the bullish candle low to be broken? Or the wick to the left? Yeah, but either way, I can't take sells right here. It's just too bullish for me. The wick to the left, okay. I've deleted my buy stop. I need a strong 30-minute closure. I don't like this right here. It didn't even break the high. It's not a good sign as well for the buys just yet. If GJ does break this low, I mean, it's so clean down. Coming into the last 10 minutes, we should see some volume now. That's when GJ likes to push. See, last 10 minutes, always with GJ. Okay, Caswell's in sells. Impulse entry. I need a closure below. So I couldn't even take sales until, well, yeah, until this candle closes. What you don't want is this support to be holding. This 15-minute gap down, no top wick. Let me see if it has a top wick on my broker actually. Let's see. Yeah, it could still push down first before it pulls back up to make a top wick anyway. Yeah, my broker has a top wick and a little gap. That's a good sign. Goldie. And that would have been 10 pips from the entry there. if it was a continuation pattern. So yeah, about there, 39. Not bad. Closure below, being in sells on gold. So below 38. Anything can happen now. What do you mean on GJ? Yeah. I just need to see how it acts at this support. If it closes below, then obviously it's a good sign that it'll continue down. But if it holds, then yeah, it's gonna have to wait and see. But you know, closure below and a clean range down, the sells definitely look good. I just have to react to market structure. You know, impulse entries ain't my thing. But like, even if I do take the sells, they're not gonna be long sells. They're gonna be short lived. I'm gonna get in and out as quickly as possible because it's a counter trend trade. I mean, GJ is very bullish, so we've got a daily candle opened. What's 50 pips away? How much should this push up during Asian session? So 90 pips. So I can imagine it retracing some before it goes back up. But yeah, this bullish candle was a nice candle to break these sells, to break these bearish candles up. Looks like gold is not going to break this low. No, we've got 3 minutes. Alright, don't look like gold's going to give us the closure. What about pound yen? Pound yen looks like it's going to give us the closure. Oh yeah, it has to be in and out on pound yen, definitely. But I mean, yesterday after the push up, it had a big drop back down, retraced the whole move up, and then continued up. So I wouldn't put it past GJ. Oh, nice push. Oh, pound yen's moving too much without me. gold is respecting this support, looks like it. Okay, GJ, make a top wick, break the low. Gold pushing up. Right, got a closure below the support on GJ. Just need a break of this low. Looking phone up. GJ. I didn't really expect this much of a push up. Come on, GJ, we playing that. Just put a sell stop. I don't want to just ram it and drive down. Alright, my sell stop. Oh, not bad. Let's get it in the right place. What price do I have it at? Got it at 642. Okay, I'm in some cells here. Let's move that. It's a little bit higher. Alright, once it gets to 10 pips, I'm going to move my stop loss to break even. Go on, GJ, drive. Just give me 10 pips. Just 10 pips. Okay, go on, 2 more pips. right. Oh, got to 10 pips and it pulled back up. Nice job. Yeah, easy 20 pips. Good job, Caswell. Good job. Cool, right. Gonna move my stop loss to break even here. And close some partials. That's not what it was. What was the correct price? Was that 52, 52, 3. What's Goldie doing? Pushing up. Alright, GJ, how far do you want to come down? Now that trade had maybe maximum about 2 pips in drawdown. Got in, I think it pulled up maybe once or twice. That's why I take the entries where I like to take them. But yeah, still bullish. Still waiting for a good support to form for GJ to retest the highs. As long as this daily candle stays bullish, like Rosie says. Let's see what this 4 hours. To be honest, when this 4 hour broke the low, it wasn't looking good. But could just be a nice little pullback. You think it'll come down to 197,296? That's what down here. Okay. Okay, nice little drop. Retrace the whole push. Hopefully the runner can stay in. Here we go. I think with the daily it tapped the resistance. I think it's going to flip today. Okay. See how it goes. Let's see how it goes. I mean, the daily tapped to resistance. Let's see. This thing's running. Hope everyone caught those cells. Good job, good job. Does the previous 15 have a bottom wick? Nope. It does not. No bottom wick. Just check gold quickly. Wow, gold looks like it's going to retest these highs. Go on, GJ, keep on running. Runner's gonna do some damage. TP's about, this is actually on 33. Go on, so close to TP. Oh, so close. What I am going to do though is move my stop loss into profit once this candle closes, this 15-minute candle and the 30-minute. I'll reduce my stop, put it over this 15-minute candle high, which is what, 12 pips. So if it doesn't hit TP by then, come on GJ, not far to go. Alright, let me take a look at gold. Gold closure above. I'll be looking for some buys. 7 minutes, 20 pips. It's not crazy. Oh, 2 pips away. Go on, down to the daily flip at least. I wonder if it's just making a bottom wick for this candle here. Where did this candle open? At 3.3, so right where my stop loss is, right where my take profit is. As we'll say, we might get a daily flip. This is a big rejection. Very big rejection. Nearly 100 pips. Yeah, if the daily flips bearish, now I'm definitely looking for some more sells later on. Alright, come on, 4 minutes. What are you gonna do? The reason I haven't put a line for this support here is just because I want to remember that this doesn't have a bottom wick. Gold, I need a closure above 45.6. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. 45.6. Wow. How low did it get? 0.333. 0.3 pips away from TP. That's funny. Come on, GJ, don't be scared of the daily flip. Alright, so pound yen pulling up a little bit, still break the low and continue down, and gold is not going to give me this closure above. It is what it is. It is what it is. Right, so I'm gonna move my stop loss just above this 15-minute candle high right here. I can't really show it. No. Right, no, I'll write it here. In profit. I haven't put it's just above there. I don't think this is the exact number, but it's above that 15-minute high anyway. GJ hit my TP earlier. Thanks, Mickey. See you tomorrow. All right, Rosie. No problem. No problem. No problema. That's it. In and out. So that's it. Hit my stop loss. I'm out. I'm outie. But that was a nice trade. It was a very nice trade. Got to start a new streak for the year. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll do that later. Make a note. Update. Stream record. What's the date today? 7th, 1st, 2025. Come on, GJ. Bit bearish, push down. I mean, as much as I would like it to continue and flip bearish, then on the daily, if it stays bullish, still think there's a possibility it could retest the highs. Let me get rid of this support and I'll leave that there. But if it does decide to push up some more and create a resistance, like a lower high, so that would be, if it creates a lower high here underneath this resistance, then I'll look for more sells back down. This is quite a big rejection wick that is created right now. But we're still above yesterday's high. gold doing? Nothing. This 15-minute candle formed the support. We're respecting it. Alright, GG. Where's the entry? 64.2. Oh. I'm so glad I put my stop loss where I did. I moved it into profit. Like, I know sometimes price might not come back to my entry, and you know, I could have held because price might continue pushing, but through back testing and experience, a lot of the time the market moves back to my entry. So I'd rather lock in like the profits that I have. Obviously I close partials, then I move my stop loss. I trail my stop loss in profit. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But a lot of the time, price retraces and it reduces my profits anyway. So might as well just lock it in and then look for another opportunity. But there'll be no more trades today. Well, in this session anyway. I don't see getting into another trade just yet. Like, potentially, if this forms a continuation pattern, a weak bullish candle right here, this closes into the next 17 minutes, then maybe some more sells just into this daily flip area. If the daily flips, then down to this next support at 197. Alternatively, it could hold, push up some more, form a resistance and come back down, or it could just push and retest the highs. There's a lot of possibilities. Just got to wait for the candles to close and give us some more information. It was a good start to the year. Taken 2 trades this year, 2 winners. May it continue. So the first trade I took was off stream. It was yesterday afternoon. Discussed the setup in the Discord. Some of us got it, some of us didn't. But yeah, if you're not in the Discord and you want to just talk, it's very chill. There's not many of us in there, which I think makes it better for conversation and back and forth. I've been in some Discords and there's a lot of people with a lot of ideas, you know, but we all pretty much trade the same thing. Pound yen seems to be the main one. I'm going to try to get some more content in there as well. Alright, so 4 pips from where my entry was. So I could have potentially lost all of those, all of the runner pips because it didn't hit my TP and then ran back on me. That's one of my things to work on this year, moving my stop loss into profit earlier so that my runners don't, close at break even. Does anyone else do any goals for the year? Every year, I set some new goals, things to work on. I pretty much do it regularly anyway, but this goal this year was something to work on throughout the whole year. You want to work on overtrading? How many trades do you take a day, would you say? Better entries. Yeah, I used to take a lot of trades, especially when you're looking at the charts all day. So I think in order for me to stop overtrading, I try look for like just one trade a session. I can't say I look for 1 to 2 trades a day because I'm trading 2 different sessions. And if I see a move in both sessions, I'm going to take it. And I don't feel like that's overtrading. But yeah. And then also, even if I count adding another trade, I wouldn't count adding positions as another trade. You know what I mean? It's just one big move. But yeah, once I'm done trading for the day, so I finish trading about, say, 2:30, 3 o'clock my time, unless there's like 3 o'clock news. I'll stop trading. I won't even be looking at the charts like that. And I start doing other things. Because, yeah, if you're looking at the charts all day, you might force something. It's just not worth it. Look at this push up. Alright, do you know what? It's a bit premature, but I'm going to put a support here because I don't think... Let me touch wood. Where's wood? I don't think GJ is going to come back down and break this support just yet. How long did it take you to be profitable? Honestly, given the way that I started and I wasn't taking it seriously, I'd throw like £100, £200, £300 into an account and it would be up and down, up and down. I'd take money out, it'd go down, I'd add money back. I would say to be profitable where I'm not adding, like topping up the account because it's too low, I would say about 2 years. And that wasn't trading consistently. So yeah, I would say about 2 years, which is kind of long. And that was, yeah, like I said, that wasn't journaling. I was just literally like watching videos, watching people, just taking trades randomly at work. So I definitely made my profitability curve longer than it needed to be. But yeah, once I started taking it serious, I would say about 6 months. Within the 6 months of me sitting down, journaling, using prop firms, about 6 months. I think there's things that people need to do to be profitable that they don't do. Like journaling is a big thing. And it's not just about noting what trades you took. It's about your actions before the trade, during the trade, after the trade. What made you do the things that you did? And when you can get all of that down on paper, and then review it and go, all right, this is what I keep doing before a loss, or this is something that I shouldn't be doing, and then working on that, it helps. Even back testing. Everyone has their own way of back testing. But if you're back testing and you're taking good information from it, you're back testing for a reason, and reviewing it and working on certain things, then it's very helpful to your trading. But yeah, trading, it's been an experience, it's been a journey. I could talk about trading all day. I just don't want to be at the charts all day. There's a difference. Ooh, gold's coming back down. GJ's pushing up. It's a nice little range that's created right here. 40 odd pips. I would say though, becoming profitable, it definitely helped having people to talk to about trading. You know, it's like accountability. I trade with people who trade similarly to you, discuss what issues you're having. That definitely helped. I've been in a few trading groups, some free, some paid, and I've learned a lot from them. We used to do back testing together. So yeah. NY session will be bullish. That's what it's looking like. We came very close to the daily flip. One thing with pound yen, it likes to retrace and move. I mean, just like yesterday. Where did the daily open? Up here, down here. Remember, it had a little gap, pushed up, retraced most of the move. It pushed up during London, retraced all the London session, and then pushed up during NY. So today we've pushed up, retraced all of the Asian session. Now NY most likely will retrace the London session, retest the highs again. Do you guys do any fundamental reading, or you don't bother, just market structure? I kind of try to pair the two. Just an overall bias. I read some articles. It doesn't really give me a super strong bias, but it's some guidance sometimes. There's not much going on with the pound, but I know with the yen, they have the interest rates. They're talking about increasing it, but not too soon. I think they talked about wanting to increase rates, but they have to look at certain things first. And And that's what's, if you look at the yen over a couple pairs, the yen is not doing well. So yeah, you'll see a lot of yen cross pairs going up. Let me see, where is let's look at what we got. UJ dropped with us, pretty much the same. EJ, randomly there. It's bullish for the most part. Bullish. And obviously us bullish. Alright, so we've got the support form that I was looking for earlier. I thought it was going to be here, but Caswell said it's going to go down, so it went down. It's usually how it goes. So we formed the support now. I reckon it will range for a little while because pound yen likes to range around this time. This little gap in between London opening and then New York opening. But I'm still anticipating price to go up and retest the highs. This is a 4-hour resistance, so maybe a retest of this 4-hour resistance. And yeah, or if it forms a lower high, then maybe a continued push back down. That's for GJ. For gold, I was looking for a closure above, but we do have these wicks to the left, which don't look great. Kind of look like rejection wicks. And this little zone right here. But gold for the most part, it's just ranging, isn't it? So it's looking for breakouts and then quick moves. Nothing too solid because yeah, it's sideways. Which strategy did you use? Oh, breakout and trend continuation. So trend continuation would be price is bullish. Price is bullish. Then I'm looking for buys from the support. For me, that would be a trend continuation. Once it pulls back from the highs, makes a low, then I'm buying up from the low to either retest the highs or then continue up. So that would be trend continuation. So like a buy would be there. And then the next one would be a breakout strategy. So again, price is bullish. We formed a high. We've pulled back. We've made a little range. So this would be the range. We'll see support, resistance to support. And then I'll wait for price to close above the resistance and then take a trade to continue up. So those are my two strategies that I use over and over and over and over again. Keep it very simple. 9 o'clock. But yeah, Sharon, you're welcome to join the Discord, you know. Welcome to join the Discord. There should be a link in the description. I promise you, we're not scary. You don't have to be active if you don't want, but we do bounce around some ideas in there and share charts. Yeah, I keep saying I'm going to do a video about my strategies. Just haven't got around to it. But yeah, this month, by the end of this month, I'll drop some videos on YouTube. Drop some videos on YouTube. Cool. But yeah, I'm out. I will be in the Discord now after this. keep an eye on what these markets are doing right here. Alright guys, peace out. I will see you on the other side. Oh wait.